Creekwood PD! Put the gun down, put the gun down, put the gun down, get on the ground!
My favorite thing about criminal justice is it's really hands-on. We do fingerprinting, handcuffing, we get to go look into like decomposing organisms and stuff like that. I want to be a game warden, so just about everything we're learning in this class I have to know for college. So I feel like all of this stuff is basic information I feel like everybody should know your laws and everything like that, and it's going to help me whenever I'm studying down the road. So it's really just an all-out amazing experience.